Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a vlog, and I am actually going to be getting Malia's ears pierced today. Last night Mike and I went on a date night, so mama kept both of the girls last night, so we have to go pick them up. I'm about to go drop Micah to the barbershop to get a haircut because his truck, he busted his tire in his rim. And homeboy wants to get all brand new 4 rims. And I'm like,
I deserve it.
You deserve a lot, but 4 rims?
Yeah.
I don't know about that, homie. We're gonna pray about that. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then go play paintball for Andre's birthday. So yeah, we'll have an exciting day. So stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
So today's outfit is the shirt that I got from the Essence Fest. No, this is from Natural Hair thing. It says made to worship, John 4:24, and the brand is right here, which you guys can't see, but it's MAKEBA. And yeah, so I just got some pinstripe shorts on and some flip-flops. About to go drop Honey off to the barbershop, and then also going to go to get my eyebrows done because Lord, they look bad. Excuse the background, the boxes that we still have not put up. That's to come. I don't know. We're still settling into our new house. So let's go, honey bunches of oats. So I got my car detailed yesterday, so I have to ride around with the windows down because my mats are still not dry. And we slept with the windows down in the garage last night, but they're still not dry. And you see how my husband is turning these curves? That's how you bust your rim right there.
Girl, if you put me on blast like that, I will definitely shame you. Don't come for me like that.
He's turning curves on 2 wheels, and he wondered why he bust his tire in his rim.
If I was on 2 wheels, you'd have heard it go.
Well, are the tools fly around, Micah?
Baby, the tools are loose. They don't move.
Anyway,
tools anyway. You don't even use them.
I'm gonna bring him to the barbershop. Made it to the barbershop. Unfortunately, the barber's not here yet, so I'm about to drop Micah off here.
Man, you be throwing shade on it slick, bro. You always throwing shade. And when he see this video, and he say, man, why you throwing shade?
I'm just like, saying, Kwame at 8:30, it's 8:45, he ain't here.
That's why she got them shades on.
Mm-hmm. Move. Bye, baby.
Move. Bye, baby.
Come on, I gotta go.
Don't be slapping my booty like that.
Come on, I gotta go.
You slap my booty cheeks like that, girl.
Alright. Now to the eyebrows, because look at how bad they look. Like, sis, what you doing? You look like a werewolf, man. Werewolf, man. Like, they're bad. So I'm gonna go get these bad boys plucked, waxed, taken care of. Let's go. Look at him, looking like a bum, sitting on the side of the curb, waiting for a ride. Look at him, eating his Sonic. Barber, you should be here by now, Mr. Barber. Oh Lord, he think it's a picture. No, I'm talking about you, honey bun. All right, baby. Mwah. This is where I get my eyebrows done. Scarboroughs. The brows are done. And they are bomb.com. Every time I go to her, I always leave pleased. Between Kristen and Amy at Scarboroughs, they are the bomb.com. And then the girls in the front are so sweet. Jalecia and Adrianne, love them. Yes, I know their names. And they know mine. But yeah, if you're looking for somebody to do your eyebrows, Scarboroughs is the place to go. They last, I go maybe once a month, once every 6 weeks. So like, you know, not really once a month. I go once 6 to 8 weeks, depends on how bad my eyebrows are. I just kind of like pluck them here and there when it needs to be plucked, and then I let her do the full grooming of it. So yeah, now I'm gonna be some donuts. I don't need donuts, but some donuts and a gift card for our girlfriend who has a party tonight. She loves coffee, so I'm going to Starbucks and get her a gift card, and then go pick up M&M, which stands for Malia and Malia. got my babies back. Well, one of my baby, Andre. He colored his hair. It's his party we're going to today. We kind of look alike a little bit. People say that, but I think I just saw it. And AJ's in the car, taking forever to get out. But
You done with it? You done with it?
that's how you feel when you get a new haircut, huh? This is what we're doing. He's YouTubing how to get the tire from underneath the thing, and we're waiting.
Like I don't know what I'm doing, man.
You know what you're doing.
Stop putting me on blast.
What you don't know how to do is drive. Look at this. Look at what he did. Bent his rim, broke the rim, and bust the tire. And homeboy wants to get 4 new rims and tires. So he's trying to put the dummy tire on here now. This looks like nothing but money. Money, money, money.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Malia, hi. Hi, beautiful. It's your day to get your ears pierced. It's time to get your ears pierced. Big girl. She is 3.5 months old. Look at her trying to sit up like a big girl. Our precious little baby. Mila, look.
She's putting some soap on the
Look. Say hey. Tell them hey, Mila.
Say hey, YouTube.
Look.
Hey, YouTube.
Turn to the side. I tried to do I did a mohawk in her hair. So Mila, tell her hey.
You miss Andre.
We got Mila's done at 3 months old. And she still has her ears pierced, so let's get ready to go, y'all. We on a tight schedule. It's 12 o'clock. The party starts at 2 o'clock, so we gotta hurry up and go get that done. Go pick up the girls and then head to Sulphur. Birthday boy got a man bun. Now, well, he doesn't really used to wear it like that. That's hence his part is all. Yes, yes, I did, because his hair needed to be done. Come on, Leah. It's your big day.
How do you overcome a broken heart? Yeah, it cut me deep and left so many scars. When I'm at home, I just sit in the dark. Yeah.
Ready?
Malachi, what's that? Get that car section. Baby, you gotta take your diaper bag off.
I know, I'm sorry.
How old is she?
15 weeks. So almost 3.5 months.
Okay.
You remember this? You remember when you had to do this?
You a baby.
You remember this?
Alright, and we're getting the little clear diamonds with the gold backing, is that correct?
You just like to turn your head up.
My sister be trying to do that too, so she know what's going on.
It's like she's
To the center of that dog.
center, yeah, that's what
I'm
I
gonna do
thought.
this one first. Okay, I'm gonna switch with you.
Okay.
And I'm gonna hold her while we pierce.
Okay. I was gonna say, please protect your.
Yeah.
Fair warning.
Hey, we
have it. We learned from experience.
yeah, definitely. A lot.
Oh, cutie. Do this one first.
She's gonna spit that out, but put that down. All right.
Like this cruise looking.
I know. I know. I know. All right, okay, all right.
Okay, one more.
Gee.
One more.
You see? Take notes. You definitely wouldn't like that. Oh, well, no,
Yeah, you did good. You did good.
Your turn.
Good job. So we're at the pavilion waiting for our gear and stuff to be set up. We are at Bayou Games. My mama's here. Mama, tell them hi. My mom and my dad came with us out here, but they're not playing. The field is like really, really big, but here's the gear for us to play in the referee. Really? So we went paintballing and that was a lot of fun. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. I started getting tired because the ball kind of got, the guns was getting heavy to me, so I ended up just giving my bullets to the kids. After that, we went and ate pizza. My girlfriend's birthday was last week, so we're going to celebrate her birthday tonight. I'm running super late. I have no makeup on because I thought the party was at 7 and it's at 6. So I literally went home, took a shower, and I'm headed to dinner. So, and that's them texting me now, where are you? So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating tonight. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. And that's it. Bye.